Today we're looking at lines and transversals. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at two different points. In the figure below, line T is a transversal. The two lines and a transversal form 8 angles. So here we can see them, they've got them numbered: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. Some of these pairs of angles have some special names, so we're going to go through those special names here. So the four interior angles are the angles that lie in the region between the lines. So the region between the lines would be this area here. So our interior angles are going to be those four angles that are inside there. Okay, so that would be angle 4, angle 3, angle 5, and angle 6. The exterior angles are the angles that lie in the regions that are outside of the lines. So looking at our picture again, outside of the lines would be up here and down here. So that would be these two angles and those two angles. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Right, the same side interior angles. Those are the angles that lie on the same side of the transversal and also inside because they're interior. So looking at our picture again here, here's our transversal. The interior angles are these ones on the inside. So the two that lie on the same side of the transversal are called same side interior. So 3 and 6 would be same side interior. Or another example from our picture here would be angles 4 and 5. Another special relationship is alternate interior angles. So alternate means not on the same side, essentially. So these are going to be non-adjacent interior angles. So they're going to lie on opposite sides of the transversal, and they're not they're not adjacent, so they're not right next to each other. So looking at our picture here, the alternate interior angles would be the ones interior on opposite sides of the transversal and not adjacent to one another. So that would be 4 and 6 are a pair of alternate interior angles. Okay, or there's another pair of alternate interiors on here. 4 and 6 is one of them. 3 and 5 is another one. The next relationship is alternate exterior angles. So these are non-adjacent exterior angles that lie on opposite sides of the transversal. So again, they do have to be non-adjacent, so they're not the ones that are next to each other. They have to be exterior, so they're outside of the two lines that were cut by the transversal. So on this picture, our alternate exterior angles would be 1 would have an alternate exterior angle of 7, opposite side of the transversal and opposite exterior edge there. So 1 and 7 are a pair, 2 and 8 are also a pair. And then lastly, we have what are called corresponding angles. So these are angles that lie on the same side of the transversal and on the same side of the lines the transversal intersects. So the angles kind of share the same general location there. So looking at this, corresponding angles would be, let's see, here are our two lines. They're cut by this transversal here. The corresponding angles would be the ones that are maybe both in the top right of the two lines that are cut here. So 2 and 6 are corresponding. They have kind of a corresponding location. Let's go back and look again. So some others that have corresponding location would be the two that are on the top left of the two lines that are cut by that transversal. So angle 1 and angle 5 are also corresponding. Okay, we could also have the ones that are on the bottom left. So the bottom left of the top transversal is angle 4. The bottom left of the bottom transversal is angle 8. So angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. My 5 didn't come out real good there. There we go. And then there's one more pair of corresponding angles on here. So the bottom right of the top transversal and the bottom right of the bottom transversal. So angle 3 and angle 7 are also corresponding.